Paragraph. Meet Mark, a 25-year-old content creator who has been struggling to grow his YouTube channel. He spends hours creating and editing his videos, but no matter how much effort he puts in, his channel just can't seem to gain traction. Paragraph. While attending a conference for content creators, Mark has a chance encounter with a popular YouTuber who shares their secret to success, the algorithm. Intrigued, Mark listens intently, eager to learn how to finally make his channel take off. Paragraph. Mark learns that the algorithm is not some mysterious enemy, but rather a tool that can work in his favor. The YouTuber explains that by following certain techniques and strategies, he can make the algorithm love his channel and increase its reach. Paragraph. Mark takes notes furiously as the YouTuber shares their tips and tricks. From using keywords and tags effectively, to creating eye-catching thumbnails, to consistency in posting, Mark realizes that there are many small things he can do to make a big impact on the algorithm's favor. Paragraph. Excited and motivated, Mark puts the hack to the test. He follows every tip and trick shared by the successful YouTuber, and within a few weeks, he sees a significant increase in views and subscribers. He can't believe how just a few small changes have made such a big difference. Paragraph. Mark's hard work finally pays off as he sees his channel grow and his content reaching a wider audience. He's grateful for the encounter with the successful YouTuber and has newfound confidence in his ability as a content creator. With the algorithm on his side, the sky is the limit for Mark and his channel.